In this video, I'm going to show how to install your HTML email signature on Outlook 2016. Okay, let's start. At the very first time, we have to open our Outlook interface. Here is our Outlook interface. We have to click new email button. Okay. Okay, here's a new interface. Okay, we have to click the email signature option under the email signature. Okay, at the very first time click email signature, then under the email signatures click here. Then we have to set a name. For example, I put Zohan ASN and then okay, and we have to go our file what we have designed. Okay, then open your HTML file what already we have coded. Okay, open the file. Okay, it is loading. Yeah, this is our designing file. Just Control plus A, Control, I'm referring Control plus A, then Control plus C, Control Control plus C, Control plus C. Then we have to go our interface, and as we have set as Johan, then click here, click and paste. Here already it has come. Then okay, when we will select Zohan, that time it will show on this place. Okay, this is the process of installing HTML email signature on Outlook 2016. Okay, if you have any query, let me ask.